Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Ever wondered if dinosaurs are truly extinct? Think again. The answer might surprise you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of avian dinosaurs, or as you know them, birds. Yes, those chirping creatures outside your window are actually the closest living relatives of the mighty dinosaurs. Skeptical? Well, let's run through the evidence, starting with fossils. The process of fossilization can take millions of years and involves mineralization. This process replaces the soft tissues of the organism with minerals, resulting in the hard parts of an organism, mostly its bones, acting as molds, thereby preserving an outline of the structures hidden within rocks for eons. Like nature's time capsules, giving us a glimpse into the distant past. The most famous fossil is that of Archaeopteryx, which was discovered in a limestone quarry in Bavaria during the 1860s. This creature is one of the most significant finds in paleontology. It's that rarest specimen, a perfect transitional fossil. Why? Because like birds, its body was covered in feathers, which are mutated reptilian scales. It had wings, and to top it all, it had a wishbone. But like dinosaurs, it had sharp teeth instead of a beak and a long bony tail. Overall, it had fewer bird-like features than Deinonychus and other theropods, the original avian dinosaurs. These were a diverse group of bipedal dinosaurs. These two-legged dinosaurs include the infamous T-Rex and Velociraptor. They were fearsome predators, but they also share a lot in common with birds. The common belief is that birds are descended from the smaller theropods rather than T-Rex. Scientists have found compelling evidence linking them to modern birds. The similarities are striking and numerous. For instance, they share similar bone structures like hollow bones, which are good for flight. This adaptation is crucial for reducing weight without sacrificing strength. And, like Archaeopteryx, most theropods had feathers like the Sinosauropteryx. Furthermore, their feathers weren't just for flight, but appear to have played roles in insulation and display. But the key evidence of evolutionary linkage is genetics. Remember, genes decode for the amino acid sequence of proteins. Recently, researchers have discovered beta proteins present in bird feathers in dinosaur fossils, a key piece of evidence highlighting their evolutionary linkage. Furthermore, researchers at University of Wisconsin managed to identify genes that had been dormant for 80 million years for developing teeth in chicken, a trait seen in their dino ancestors. This genetic throwback is a remarkable reminder of their ancient lineage. This line of research could enable us to activate other dormant genes in birds to produce organisms remarkably similar to dinosaurs, should we wish to. Another key similarity is in relation to how birds and dinosaurs cared for their young, as opposed to other reptiles. While crocodiles and turtles incubate their eggs naturally by building mounds or burying them in the sand, they do not brood the eggs or provide food for the hatchlings the way birds do. Fossilized dinosaur nests have been discovered that show dinosaurs arrange their eggs in a circle, similar to some birds today. In addition, there are SRE fossils showing an oviraptor actually positioned brooding over her eggs. It is also very likely that the feathers allowed dinosaurs the ability to regulate their body temperature, which would enable them to run at fast speeds for long durations, as well as display purposes. And of course, flight. While not universal, and modern retites such as ostriches are flightless as well, flight opened up new ecological niches for avian dinosaurs. An example being the Microraptor, a small feathered dinosaur, had 4 wings and could glide between trees. This unique adaptation shows the diverse ways dinosaurs used feathers. This transition showcases how some dinosaurs adapted to take to the skies. The journey from gliding to powered flight is a fascinating chapter in the story of evolution. So there you have it. The evidence is overwhelming and fascinating. Birds are not just descendants of dinosaurs, they are living dinosaurs. This realization changes how we see the world around us. Next time you see a pigeon, remember you're looking at a modern-day dino. Mind-blowing, isn't it? These everyday creatures have an extraordinary history. If you enjoyed this dive into the past, smash that like button and subscribe for more fascinating science content, and click the notifications bell. Your support helps us bring more amazing stories to light. Until next time, keep wondering, stay curious, and keep exploring the wonders of science.